Good morning. Today we are going to learn Chakrasana in few steps. First, lie on the floor for Bhujangasana. Raise your body up aside from stomach. Hold for few seconds. Keep breathing and slowly down. Keep your leg straight, toe pointed. Bending your elbow. Come up. Your neck must be up. And go down slowly. Your palm next to the chest and chin down. Keep breathing. Repeat this asana again. Hold the posture and release. Now let's prepare yourself for Dhanurasana. Bending your knees, hold your ankles, shoulders back. With inhaling, slowly breathing, release the posture. Relax for a while. Keep breathing and repeat this asana. Holding your ankles, push your entire body up. You may feel stretch on your thigh muscles and release the posture. Relax for a while. Keep breathing. And now prepare yourself for the mountain posture. Ensure that you should touch your toes to the floor, your palms also. Keep legs straight and bending your left leg forward between both the hands. This creates stretch towards your entire spine. Release the leg, the right leg. Same position. Feel the stretch to your entire spine. Your back must be arched, not bent. The mountain posture. This is called Ashwasutra Sanchalana. Your back is totally straight. Release the posture. Keep breathing. And your right leg forward. Your eyesight must be little bit higher. Relax in mountain posture. Come to the child posture for relaxation. Keep breathing. And now let's prepare yourself for Ostrasana. Keep knees apart from each other. Slightly keep your hands on foot. Toes are pointed. Tighten the navel. Put your head back. And while coming forward, you may use your hands on your belly. The cat stretch. You are dropping your knees down and palm down. By inhaling, look up. Take your spine inside. By exhaling, look down. Take your spine out as much as you can. You must have seen cat doing this stretch. While breathing, arch your back inside. Now we are doing Setu Bandasana. We are lifting hips above the floor. Chest close to chin. And tightening thigh muscles, glute muscles. and down. Relax for a while and repeat this asana again. Lift your hips up. Use your hands come down slowly. Release the hands and legs too. Keep breathing. And now let's prepare yourself for our final Chakrasana. Place your feet close to hips. You can see my legs. Elbows are just close to ears, not wide. Avoid spreading out of elbows. Keeping thigh active with all your energy, lift your entire body up. Once you are up, focus on stabilizing your body. Continue breathing. Hold for a few seconds. You are continue breathing and release the legs and hands. Keep breathing. Give a gentle hug to yourself to relax your entire back. You can roll backward, forward in this posture to relax yourself. Thanks for watching.